Howdy, howdy. We are standing here in front of Timberdrop in Fraispertuis City. This coaster, I didn't do this coaster not yet. No. This is the first time I do this kind of coaster.
Because?
Yeah. This coaster opened in 2011 and is built by SNS worldwide, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna do this one. It's a special coaster. So yeah, we're gonna see you when we're coming off.
Eerder hier eigenlijk.
Ja, eerder hier wel. Laatst nog.
Ja.
Timberdrop. I hope you enjoyed the on-ride video also.
I enjoy.
Yeah, you enjoy it also?
Yeah, it's a good roller coaster.
Yeah?
A little bit painful in the shoulders.
It is painful?
A little bit painful in my body. I don't know, you, Miskini.
No, I had no problems with pain.
No?
No. It's actually a smooth roller coaster, very steep. The first drop is very steep.
Yeah.
I really like it. It's a short
family coaster. It's a family coaster.
It's not a family coaster. It's a thrill coaster already.
Okay.
Yeah, it has 2 versions, so it's actually more than. So yeah, I really like this coaster. I like this type of coaster, and you can put it in every theme park if you want, because it does not have take a lot of space.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too big, yeah?
No, it's not. It's a short coaster. Also, I like the theming of this one. Yeah, I really enjoy this coaster.
Because it's nice. I can do again. Why not?
Okay. So I hope you enjoy also the video. So if you like the video, just put a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel also.
Okay.
Bye. Ciao, ciao.